everyone, this is me Tanya in front of you. Welcome back to my show Coffee with Tanya. And today we have an amazing guest to join us. He is the first winner of 224A. So please put your hands together for Mr. Himanshu Gaur.
May I sit, ma'am?
Yeah, have a seat, sir.
Thank you.
Hello, sir. How are you?
I'm fine, ma'am. Thank you for asking. And what about you, ma'am?
I'm doing well. Thank you for asking. So first of all, I am curious to know how are you feeling after coming to my show?
For me, it's a very amazing feeling because I'm thinking about to be the part of your show, and right now I'm sitting in front of you and doing a conversation with you. So for me, it's a kind of blessing to be a part of your show, and thank you for making me the part of this marvelous show.
Okay, thank you. So first of all, I just want to tell you, I will ask some general question about your NFL journey. So are you ready for it?
Yeah, I'm very ready for it, ma'am.
Okay, so my first question to you, can you define your NFL journey to my audience?
Yeah, it is a very roller coaster journey, and in this journey, I have learned so many things. I have made so many friends. I have learned about how to express yourself because I used to be a very introvert guy. I was not able to speak in such a fluent way. A fluent way is a very tough. Like I was not able to speak. That's the main thing. But after joining NFL, I have learned so many things that how to express yourself because I'm a that kind of person who know the answer but was not able to just raise a hand and tell them I know. So for that, those kinds of things that I have learned from NFL, now I'm just doing very great in every sector, and this is all happening just because of the NFL. Because from NFL, I have learned how to be confident wherever you are go. So that's the main thing.
Okay, so what kind of changes did you find in yourself before joining NFL and after joining NFL?
Before joining NFL, as I mentioned you, I used to be a very introvert guy. I knew the answers, but I was not able to express them, and I had the lack of confidence. There are so many bad things was with me at that time, but after joining NFL, I just solved all the problems. Like I gained a confidence. I worked on my setbacks. I just learned about what is confidence and how can we build it, and I work on it. So all these things that I have learned from NFL will remain with me for the rest of my life. And I just say thank you to the Mr. Pradeep sir for just teaching me and telling me that how can you do something great in your life.
Okay, so what do you like something about NFL?
The best thing about NFL is the only one man, the man behind the magic, Mr. Pradeep Agrawal sir.
Okay. So my next question to you, who is a role model in NFL?
My role model in NFL is sir because I have learned so many things from him.
What kind of qualities of Mr. Pradeep sir really attract you?
His way of speaking, the way he tell the student is different because there are so many guys who are telling, but if I am not getting, there is no means. But whenever they teach me, I get the thing at a glance. So it is the one of the best quality of his, the way he tell, the way he organize all the event, the way he just maintaining his coaching and maintaining the decorum of the coaching in Gwalior is different, and I just love his personality.
Okay. So as you know, and I also know, in NFL there are lots of kind of events are organized. So which one is your favorite?
One of my favorite event is Shark Tank because in Shark Tank, I was very professional in it, and the way I just presented my product was different, and I have learned so many things from that, and all those things are helping me in my college.
Okay. So did you feel any kind of demotivation in the middle of journey?
Yeah, I felt that because there is a one scenario in my mind that I was not able to do it. I can't do it. That's the main thing. But when I just joined it, I worked on them, and I started working on them. I realized that I'm able to do. But in the middle of the journey, I realized, no, I am not able to do it. How can I do this? But it's a kind of personal development issue, and sir told me that it's a kind of issue. There's no need to think about it. You just work on it, and you will get whatever you want to get. So in the beginning, I faced so many problems like lack of confidence, nervousness, but all will be covered.
Okay. So my last question to you, if you got a chance to describe your NFL journey only in one word, so how would you like to describe it?
A roller coaster journey.
And why?
Because in this journey, I have learned so many things. I made so many friends. I enjoyed a lot myself in 6 months, and I think I will not be able to enjoy so much like that I have enjoyed in the last 6 months. This is the main thing because the friend are the rest of my life.
Okay, so thank you, sir. I think your experience, your knowledge, and your journey is really amazing. Nice to talk with you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you for making the part of a marvelous show.
Thank you.